Little Quincy the quail was the big sister, leading all 12 of her fluffy chicks across the busy meadow. She counted carefully as they waddled behind her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. A shiny green beetle caught her eye. Oh no, was that 8 or 9 chicks she had counted? Quincy started to panic as her siblings kept walking. She tried counting again, but they were moving too fast. Then Mama Quail taught her a special trick. Point and count. Touch each chick while saying the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All 13 chicks made it safely across. Remember, always point and count to keep track.